Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where the display screen resolution changes on its own automatically in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now there can be two reasons for it. The first reason is that there could be an issue with the display drivers, and the second one is that a third party software product may be causing the problem. So if it is an issue with the display drivers, then search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager window. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on each one and update the drivers. Right click, update the drivers. The next solution is to disable screensaver. So search for screensaver and click on change screensaver. Change the screensaver to none. Click on apply. Click on OK. The next solution is a clean boot. So how would you perform a clean boot? Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, click on apply, then on OK, and finally restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.